How to keep your cryptos safe. Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. Unlike a bank account, your cryptos are not insured by the FDIC or any other regulatory body. If you lose your key phrase, you can kiss those bitcoins goodbye. With a bank, if you lose your card or even your PIN, you go through customer service and show proof you own the account and you're good. That's why fiat is called fiat, among other reasons, and cryptos are called cryptos. They're secure and anonymous. So here are 6 ways you can protect your crypto holdings. 1. Use wallets from known sources. 2. Do your own research. Don't rely on any one person to tell you what to do. 3. Store your coins in a cold wallet like a Ledger Nano. 4. Don't keep all your cryptos in a single place. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 5. Store and keep secure your private keys. And 6. Back up your cryptocurrency private keys, because if you lose it, you know what happens. What are your thoughts? Are your cryptos safe? If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.